to our tutorials. Now we're going to learn how can we create shadow by using point light and spotlight. So the first thing, if your scene has any light, then you have to delete it. And we do have directional light. So the delete button is right there on your keyboard or right there on your tab. If I click on the keyboard, also it will be gone. And remember, this is sky, we were illuminating it. So click back the sky anywhere, even click right there, click modify, click here on a material, step by step guys, then you will learn it. Then scroll down, self-illumination have to go back to 0. We want to use those lights to make a shadow. Okay, so let's start with the first light, spotlight. Scroll down, spotlight, where is it? Here it is. Okay, we do have the spotlight. As I said, guys, we have the spotlight, but we don't know where the tree is. So, which light will be helpful for us right now? Yes, auxiliary light. Click on auxiliary light. It will guide you where the tree is. So right now, auxiliary light will show you how can you place this light close to your tree. So right now, you can just use this one here and place this light right over there and pull it up somewhere there maybe. Then turn off here auxiliary light. So right now, click on multiply the spotlight and increase range. So once you increase range, then the spotlight will be pointing down there. But also, as I said, spotlight will pick a place, only one place that will be pointing. So scroll down there and look at. So pick target. A target have to be tree. Click on the tree. Okay. If it doesn't point on the tree, don't worry, guys. Pick target. Click on the scene here. Scene. Then there is a tree. Where is a tree? Sample broadleaf. Click right there. So right now the spotlight will be pointing on a tree. Okay. Right now the spotlight will be pointing on the tree. If it doesn't, try again. Try again. Do not worry, guys. And then try to do the same thing. Pick target. And then the target have to be our tree. Okay. It doesn't. If it doesn't, don't worry. Don't worry. Click right here and do something here. Remember the first time we created a box. Right now, do the same thing. Create a box. Just create the box. The box will be down there on the tree. So right now, do the same thing. Click on that spotlight. Then after that, this is spotlight. Click on modify. Scroll down. Pick target. And the target, scene, the box. So the spotlight, whether it's like or not, it will be pointing on the tree. Because down on the tree there is that thing, there is a box. So after that, what next? Try to put the spotlight where you think to be good and do the same thing, guys. Use volumetric light. You do have the volumetric light option. Why can't we use it? So click on modify and then start to use that light. The first thing about this light, change it. So this light, we can change it into something maybe bluish. Maybe you can change this to be a kind of a blue. Yes. Then after that, click OK. After that, scroll down there. Click on volumetric light. Volumetric light right over there. Unlink light intensity. Okay, let us try to unlink light intensity. Okay. It's kind of a stacking. Don't worry. Then increase this light intensity. Sorry guys, my bad. Increase this intensity. Maybe it's reaching there. As I said, even this scene you can see that problem has already started because I didn't add tessellation. So tessellation amount have to be added. So try to use this tessellation amount, increase it. Once you increase the tessellation amount, your scene will be running back smoothly again. So right now, we're using that a light intensity, volumetric light on a spotlight. Try to add another one and another one. Okay, so right now we do have this light and the shadow. So you can spot the shadow down there. The shadow is very good one. Okay, very good shadow down there. And the volumetric light from the spotlight is kind of a bit of cinematic. So this is a good thing about using a volumetric lighting. So as I said, we want another light, and this light have to be point light, and the point light will create a good shadow for us. So point light, this one, click on the point light, and it will appear where you just try to pick. The point light is right over there. One thing about this light, there is no option of looking at, but you can just pull this light where it will be close to your object, and you want this light to be near the tree. I'm trying to find the tree. The tree is, I think, it's just right over there. Okay, so this light will reach there, and then maybe we don't want this to be here. Maybe you want this light to be up there. Want it to be maybe somewhere there. Okay, so after that, increase the range of the light. The range have to be at least even much wider angle, somewhere there. Then after that, what next? Try to change the color. I do recommend that. If you want to create a good scene, try to change color of these lights. This one should be maybe orange or maybe yellowish. Don't know. Let's try to pick something there. Okay, maybe we can have this one right now. And also do the same thing about volumetric light. Click on volumetric light and link light intensity and increase this one. If you increase it too much, it won't have a good result. Maybe you can increase until it reach right there. And we want this one to be a little bit back there. Okay, so right now we can see there is a shadow. There are two shadows. But one thing about these shadows in iClone, you can manage them. If this light is too bright than the other one, then you can click on scene and turn off the shadow. The good thing about this animation, this program, you can turn off the shadow. Right here, there is a shadow. So if I click here, I delete the shadow from the point light. And if I click here, spotlight, I delete the shadow from the spotlight. So right now, we don't have the shadow of anything, okay? But once I click back there, the shadow will come back, and this here, the shadow will come back as well. So this is a lesson about shadows, guys, and thank you for listening. Welcome to watch another tutorial where I'll be talking about creating a lighting without using an actual light. Thank you.